Charm Huxley channel. If you are new to this channel, hit subscribe button and smash our notification bell button.
Hello guys, good day everyone. Alright, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into something really special, bonding with your training team. Whether you're just starting or you're just been together for a while, building a strong connection can make it all different. So let's get into it. As first thing and first, let's talk about why bonding with your training team is so important. A great team isn't just about skills and experience, it's all about trust, communication, and having each other's back. When you bond with your team, you create an environment where everyone feels valued and motivated. Have it guys, one of the best ways to bond is through team building activities. We've tried everything from escape rooms to lots of activities we're gonna have later, and of course I'm with my boss right here, Sir JR, and of course later po mga kaibigan yung pong kaligtaan, and trust me, we're gonna have these experiences, we're gonna treasure this experience, and that will bring us closer, ika nga. So great problem solving, working under pressure, a little friendly competition that can boost team spirit, learning something new together, alright? And sometimes the best conversation we're gonna have later, or even a conversation happen over a meal. Wait guys, if you're new to this channel, all you have to do hit and smash our subscribe button, Charm Huxley, so that updated kayo sa ating mga bagong videos. Ayan na po. So, yep, another crucial aspect of team bonding is communication, di po ba? Make sure that everyone feels heard and respected, ika nga. Regular check-ins and open discussions about goals, challenges, and feedback can really strengthen our team connection. Ayan, huwag niyo po ding kaligtaan o kalimutan. Don't forget to celebrate your success together, recognizing achievements, big or small, boosts morale and shows appreciation for everyone's hard work. Plus, it's a great excuse to have some more fun, di po ba?
yan, kuya.
Angels man man.
Wow!
Nakakasama sa don't forget to subscribe and follow. Yan.
Hey, Raya. Ay, ito po. Yan. Lakad-lakad muna kami, guys. Diba? Physical activity. Ano yung ano? Tindahan mo? Okay. Lakad. Sobrang init, guys. Ooh. I'm with Raya, my co-trainer. Yeah. Ito! Dishwashing, at saka maraming plastic. Hello guys, good morning. Today is Sunday. Ayan, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Joy Maxley. All the way po tayo mga kaibigan hanggang matapos po yung ating video today. But anyway, thank you so much guys for keeping us company. And of course, thank you for subscribing to the channel, right? And uwi na po kami mga kaibigan today. So, yes. Tomorrow we're gonna have another class. Okay, it's another big day for all of us. Doing this topsy-turvy stuff. So, I have my colleagues right here. There you go, they're fixing. Hey, say to my vlog. Hi.
Please, show me, Manay. Hi! Being lonely. Hi!
They're all my co-trainers, guys. At ngayon, medyo nag-prepare na po kami kasi around 12, exactly 12 o'clock, we'll be going off na. Okay.
You have it, guys. Thank you so much for joining us today. Remember, a strong team is built on trust, communication, and shared experiences. So invest time in bonding with your training team. It will pay off in more ways than you can imagine, right? Now, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and insights. Until next time, keep growing and keep funding. Bye now. Have a great day, guys.